Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Today, it is a Friday. The market is moving up. It's moving up. So trying to see what it wants to do here. I'm seeing that we got a trend on the SPY and the Q, so might try to get a little day trade in on these. We'll see what we can do. Wait, what's this, a 5? Let's look at the 15. I don't know. Who knows? We might have a trend swapping going on right now. Let me get the poll in real quick and I'll start saying what's up to you guys. Also, just a heads up, I grabbed a call on AMD this morning. It kind of covers our earnings, but it's also kind of out there. I think it's like an August 22nd, 182.5 call. Let me see. Yeah, let me get this poll in here. All right, so is the stock market going to close red or green? Oh, wait, today. Red, green. Oh, hold up, spelled green wrong. Break even. Oh, I didn't type that. Okay, break even. All right, we got the poll in there, y'all. Hey, make sure to get your vote in. Let's see what we got going on. XO Cole, top of the morning. Natasha, good morning. Musos Media, hello, good morning. D Scurve, good morning. Thank you, Grump, for the push. Hey, all good. We'll take a little push. Let's get it. Why do you start the live halfway through the day now? Because there's too much going on at market open. It's like so much that goes on at market open that it's like analysis paralysis, and a lot of the times it's just tossing it up. It's like a gamble. So it's a lot clearer for me to see things here. And normally when I see the good setups, this is around the start of the time I see like, oh, that setup is here, but it's like, oh, it's around the time that I would normally get off. So actually looking at the SPY, hold up, we might have a little pullback coming. I don't want to trade to the downside though. It's like I could see a pullback here on the SPY, but I'm not sure I want to trade to the downside. Let me let's see. I don't know. All right, hey, I see you crowning. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. Tesla with the recovery. Yeah, they popped because of something like what is it? They moved their, or they're talking about opening, doing the cyber taxis in, like, I think San Francisco or something like that. Anella, happy Friday. Levi, top of the morning. Also, top of the morning. I see Palantir's making it. Oh, really? Really? Yeah, let's swap out over here. Oh, Palantir might be ready to break out. Yeah, it might be about to break out of its range. We'll see. It's either gonna wake up here. Palantir might be getting ready to break out. I don't know. We'll have to see. Like, it's overbought, but there's like no news. They got earnings like, yeah, on the 4th of August, but I don't know how I feel about that. Here, let's see. Jamie, top of the morning. Oh, Robinhood too. Here, let's see. I mean, yeah, Hood got a little pop too. And good morning. Yeah, we got the robo taxis in San Francisco. Marvin, good morning. All right, Yoko, good morning. Alexander, hey, top of the morning. Yeah, I grabbed the AMD call this morning. Here, we can add it real quick to the watch list. Let's see. Wait, what's going on? That's not what was. All right, so the AMD call I grabbed, just so y'all can see. Let's see. I think I grabbed it around when AMD was at 163, but I think it was on August 22nd, and it was, yeah, it's this one. And I think I paid no more than 300. So I think I put my order in for 300. I might have got it for a little less, I don't know. But I for sure did not pay more than $300 for it, or $3 per share. Ready to go. So yeah, this is the call I got. And I did share that in the Discord. Mommy, top of the morning. Hey, Ramiro, top of the morning. It's going to drop to 120 soon, and I'll be waiting. What's going to drop? We just talked about a lot, so I don't know what exactly we're talking about. Have you heard about TSLT just bought 200 shares after earnings since it dropped? If not, good for options because the spreads are so wide and hard to get a good entry, but shares are good. Oh, not so, yeah. No, yeah, a lot of those, not the move for options, but yeah, let's see. TSLT, is it a long or is it a short? Okay, it's 2x long. Okay, it's 15. How's this compared to TSLL? Okay. So yeah, they're like identical. So, hey, cool. So we found like another TSLL or another Tesla 2x leverage. So that's cool. Appreciate you, Ramiro. Do you go live every morning? When do your live stock trading or start? So yeah, I go live Monday through Friday, or like if the market's open, and yeah, it's starting around 10:30 Central Time now. So I've been live 9 minutes. Oh, Palantir. Oh yeah, if it wants to drop to 120, yeah, we'll be on that. George, good morning. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. All right. Here, let me go back to a 5 on the SPY. All right, we kind of got like a little potential double top. I drew this trend like just a moment ago. I'm not sure I see like too much excitement, but I'm not really feeling like grabbing puts at the moment. But that seems like, I don't know, it's like I would want to pull back. Like if I can catch it at 635, I might go for a call or something, a 0 DTE, I don't know. But honestly, today's not looking too exciting. Outside of, let's see, AMD has a good morning. I think Tesla has a good morning. Robinhood is having a good morning. Palantir is having a good morning. Wait, so AMD, yeah, let's pull up Hood again. Let's come down to a lower time frame on Hood. Yeah, Hood got a nice little trend on it today. Let's look at that. Let me see what they look like on a 5. Yeah, because we had to, all right, let's see. Swap that. Let's see what it looks like on the 15 again. Hey, we might be able to get a little pullback on Hood. I might go for a little cheap on Robinhood. Let me see what they're going for. G nice, top of the morning. Yeah, I might try to get a hood reversal for the. Hold up. I'm just exploring kind of options right now. But, oh, okay, we got a little pullback on the SPY occurring. Yeah, I might wanna play around with the Robinhood short. Let me see. Oh, I don't even necessarily. This account, I don't have a 0DT. I don't have day trades left in this one. I have one, but I'm not sure I would want to do that on this one. Let me just see what they're going for. I feel like the shorts might be going for more than I like. Oh, actually, hmm. I might do that. Let's see. Where is this at? That's at 104. Let's see if I can find that hood put again. Oh, it's already ran up in price. Okay, I'm not gonna get it, but that may have. Hey, I was a little off on that one. Okay. Yeah, it was. I was looking at the 105 put. That one kind of ran up quick. I like the potential, but I like it for a 0 DT. All right, so yeah, we had Robinhood, we had AMD, we had Tesla. I'm not sure I would mess with Tesla. Yeah, this the trend is like it got steeper to the upside. So yeah, if Tesla wants to decide, hey, maybe we want to pull back and break that, okay. But for now, we'll leave that alone. All right, let's see. You think SoFi is a good leap call play? Yeah, I think it's decent. I think SoFi could stand to go higher, just with the upcoming developments and whatnot. All right, so Tesla's moving. Honestly, AMD's not really moving anymore. Uh, Let me see what else is moving. I jumped on a 0 DT SPY put for 18 up to, hey, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, I thought it looked good, but this was like the first place I saw it pulling back to. I didn't necessarily like it wasn't like I'm looking for something where it's like, oh, it's like that. Honestly, I would like to see if Robinhood would push up and touch that again too. But yeah, we got Tesla moving, we got Robinhood moving. Let's drop that down too. Oh yeah, Robinhood is still riding the 13 EMA. Let me actually do that too. Just be alerted. Let's, oh yeah, come down to lower time frame on Palantir. They just kind of like took off. Yeah, they just took off and they said bye bye. Here, let's see what they look like on the 5. Yeah, Palantir is not anything I feel like I would like to do anything with right now. Anything else take off? Or like have a solid just trend? Like I would say Robinhood and Tesla look, I like the way they look. App loving, not messing with that didn't really move crazy anyway. Snow. Joby. It's having a good day. Let's take a look at Joby. Oh, that trend. Ooh. Okay. I might have to here. Let's go to a 15 first. See what that looks like. Nah, Joby's just straight up. I don't mess with the straight up. That's a little. Actually, yeah, that's kind of not trading today, but stop by the. Hey, appreciate you, Jorman. Oh, I hadn't even said anything about the likes. Hey, family, I noticed we got 28 likers. Hey, can we or 28 lurkers and 30 likers? Can we get some likers in the chat? Here, let's see. AMD starting to slowly pick up again. Hey, AMD, I think AMD is gonna go crazy. So this isn't like I have AMD up and I have it like charted, but this isn't a day trade for me. But AMD, yeah, AMD is looking good right now. Here, let's go to like a 15. AMD trend wise, maybe something like that. I think I'm still waiting for AMD to like show its trend, but it's like yeah, AMD, it looks good, it looks solid. Y'all, I turned on my alerts for what is it? I turned on my alerts for Moomoo. So now I get like the news notifications for the big stuff. It hasn't been like too many alerts, but all the alerts I would say are fairly relevant. So I'm with it right now. ACHR. Here, we'll take a look at them on the day. Yeah, Joby, they're probably moving a little bit too much for me. That's too much speculation for me. I would say similar for ACHR too. Like it's moving. You got a nice trend. It kind of took off. Yeah, nice trend on the morning. It's looking good. But if it comes back to the trend, it's like, oh, I guess it's just because that like cent to cent, it's not moving as much. So that's a little tough. I would say the best kind of contender in my eyes might be like a Robinhood on a day, and I would probably be looking at the 13 EMA. That's my that's what I call my best friend today when it comes to trading. Like if I take anything outside of the call I took on AMD. But when I made the watch list this morning, I had said like today seems like a better day not to trade. It seems like for the most part a no trade Friday. Who's this? Oh, Where we go? 36. Oops, I mean 36. Okay, at home lurking on TV. Hey, well, what's up, M Sense? I see you. You see, you got us on the big screen today. Okay, okay. Got a clear view of the charts. You probably see a little too much what's going on behind me. But oh, that's cool. Whoa, whoa, what is that? All right, so little pullback on ACHR. Robinhood making progress. Go up to a 15 on Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood is still going. Good thing I didn't get that short. Oh, hold up. This is a 30-minute chart, but I see some liquidity over here. Let me investigate this. Let me draw like a little, cause this might be a area to short here. Let's go up to a 1 hour. It's still kind of there. Yeah, that liquidity is there. Let's go up to a 4 hour. Hey, it's there. Maybe I don't just get a today. Hold up. Yeah, maybe I do get it today. Yeah, it's cheaper now too. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it on like a. I might watch it on a 1. Nah, I'm gonna just. I'm gonna go for it. Oh dang, the price went up right as I tried to get it. Wait, maybe I'll get filled now. All right, I got filled. I bought a 105 0 DTE on Robinhood, and I paid 25 cents per share. And I bought in about right there. And I think like when I was looking at it, I was like, oh, this could potentially go to like a 4 area, or like this kind of 4 or 20 area. But let me alert the family. Let them know I grabbed something high risk. All right, let's see. Where we at? Discord. Just grabbed a very high risk. Gotta add that very high risk. Put on Robinhood. All right, here we'll just say hood. Paid 25 cents per share. It's a 0 DTE, so it expires today. And let's put the little photo in there. There we go. And that might just be one I let sit. You said, yeah, you missed a spot on them blinds. Oh, M sense. Tesla, how high might it go? I'm in a TSLL call. Hey, I mean, hey, ride it till it slows down. Making money on hood. Hey, I'm losing right now, but here's hoping. So that liquidity was on the 4 hour. I think we closed out the 4 hour candle on Robinhood right now. So we'll kind of see what comes of this. Oh. Let's see. Real quick, let's see. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Okay. How long have you been? Wait. Quit your 9 to 5. No, I like my 9 to 5. I don't have like a regular 9 to 5. I work for myself, so it's like I kind of like that, but also yeah, and I kind of need that too. So I was like I'm not just on it trading alone. How long have you been trading? When did you become profitable to? So I don't only trade. Like I'm not I am not sustained by just trading. I can make enough money just trading if I have other sources of income. So I would say like I don't honestly think I will ever be at a point where I am just trading. So be yourself, I would say never. That's not necessarily something I aspire to do either. It's like there was a point in time I tried to do it, and I can tell you kind of the formula of what I was looking at when I did. It's like you have your expenses and you have your I guess what you need to make. The easiest thing to do first is eliminate your expenses and kind of like get yourself to a point where oh, it's like once you're living like I don't know to a level of frugality where it's like oh, I only need this much, it becomes a lot easier to hit your goal. So it's like for instance, if you're spending $5,000 on stuff because you're making like high payments on things, that's like maybe sell those things or get those things paid off, and then your living expenses kind of decrease, and then after that it's like oh yo, I only need like $1,200 a month, $400 a week, and it's boom. It's like how much money do you need to have that? So it really just kind of comes down to what it is for you. But when I was in when I was in Hungary, I was like, yo, let me I was like, oh, I only need like $400 a week and I'm solid. And I was doing it, but then I had one bad week. Hold up. Hood's moving a little bit. Let me check in. All right, so we're up 38% on the hood put. $10. Let's see. That's cool. We'll see if we actually get a pullback. But no, I haven't quit my 9 to 5. I just shifted my income to be something where I'm not necessarily dependent on like legacy kind of jobs. All right, so we got ACHR below the trend line, also trying to be below the 13 EMA. Robinhood with the little pullback. Hopefully this is like a solid like sweep of liquidity on Robinhood. That would be amazing. I would love to see us make a move back to this 104 area, but let's see how we do at this 13 EMA. Let's see. You said Robinhood called. Danny, I got a put on Robinhood. My apologies on the late response. I know it's been a few minutes. I'm in a Broadcom call. If that's starting to cook, or that's starting to cook, hey, let's take a look. G nice. I got my alert set on Tesla. I believe. I have alert set. No, I don't. I want to be alerted if it does do anything though. So here, let's real quick. And then we'll take a look at Broadcom. Okay, so it made like a little move from up here. Guess it depends on when you got in, because it also kind of like popped this morning. I'm gonna go back to Tesla. Hey, Central Street Light. Okay, hold up. Let me get the name again. I know you told me your name yesterday. Have you heard of OSC? Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, I saw that. I watched that video last night. Incense. Yeah, yeah, I feel like I saw him talk about it. I think I may have saw somebody else talk about it too. So I don't know. Yeah, it might get a little. Here, we can take a look at it. I might want to. I do want to add that to my watch list. Let's see. See what the chart's looking like. Cause a lot of the time when I hear or see his videos, okay, it's on a pullback right now. That's okay. He looks like he said that at a decent time. That's cool. I like the fact that it's currently kind of pulled back. Tony, good morning, Matthew. Found your page about a week ago. About a week ago. Oh, sorry. I want to thank you. The light came on last night. You never know. Hey, I love to hear that, Tony. Love to hear that. You said it slowed down. Hey, it happens. Anthony. Okay, Anthony, because I almost said Jeremy. Anthony, that's okay, cool. Yeah, gotta get it locked in. All right. Anthony. Hymns, big drop. Man, hymns all over the place. Oh, that's oh wait, this is a 4 hour. Okay, let's go to a 15. Okay. That's yeah. Is there news on that? It's like all the news is always like way behind whenever I click on it on here. All right, so Robinhood is still trying to progress right now. Well, let's see if we can confirm above this liquidity. Hopefully we can't. Yeah, hopefully it's like, oh, yeah, we're closing right here, but we're not gonna stay up here. Can we still get the put for Hood? So you can. I will say like the Hood put is very high risk. I think I should be down on it right now. Let's see. I'm down like $1 on it, so it's holding all right. So you'd be in around where I am if you got the Hood put. Like once again, high risk. That is one that I am willing to just kind of let expire if it doesn't do what I'm watching for it to do. But yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I think it's high risk, high reward for this one, I guess. I was in a him scalp this morning. Glad I took. Hey, yeah, see profit, take profit. Hey, very very welcome, Levi. plugged in. That's inconvenient. All right, the screens might go crazy real quick. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Oh no, it looks like everything's okay. It's not that bad. Okay. That worked out. Okay. Sold it a second before it popped. At least we were in profit. All right. Hood trying to push on up, yeah, I want to see how Hood does here. Still like moving up. And what's worse is like with this trend, it's like it's on the lower side of this trend line, but with this, it could still like pop all the way up here in order for it to be respected. All right, so we're pushing a little bit. SPY looks like it's having trouble getting above that like high it made for now. In a Hood call up 15%, half through earnings though. Let's see. Robinhood's earnings is okay. What's that, like Monday or Tuesday? We don't want we don't want El Salvador today. Oh yeah, family, hey. Be sure to smash the like button. Let us be free. Free us from El Salvador. Kilo Hotel, what's up? Hello. Hey, what's up? Hey, hello. Or hey, what's up? Hello. All right, Hood is trying to push up. Going for that push up. See it on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, they got honestly on the 1 minute, they got a solid trend there too. Like just looking at this right here, ever since they like pulled back over here. Yeah, they got a solid little 48 trend. Lurkers, hit that like button. Oh yeah, be sure to be sure to hit that like button. All right, we got 52 likes. Hey, at least 70 people on the stream. And if the math is mathing, that means there's at least 8 lurkers. All right, I think we scared one of them off. Yeah, one of the lurkers fell off. They stopped watching. But little did you know, I can see who you are, lurkers. Yeah, that means you. 7th Street 72. No, I'm kidding. I definitely cannot see. But yeah, we're gonna sit down right now. Okay, spy's trying to pop. The spy is trying to pop. Yeah, it's pushing highs now. So once again, the SPY has made a new all-time high. Do you know how often Moomoo updates the trade values? What do you mean by that? So here, I think I can share my screen. All right, so here, let's see if let's see if there's any trouble. I'm gonna try to share my screen with y'all. Let's see, is that showing up? Let me see. Oh, is Tesla still? Oh yeah, Tesla's still going crazy. It was like, honestly, we probably could have hopped in a call, but I'm always have a hard time like chasing. Commercial on the TV. Oh, hold up. I got you. I didn't even look at the commercials today. Wait. All right, you should be good from here on out, M Sense. All right. Okay. So yeah. Oh no, y'all can't see it. I can only see it. Let me figure out what's going on here. Oh, that's oh wait, hold up. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all should be able to see that. All right, so taking a look at it over here on the side. This is. Can I make this bigger? Oh, hold up. Y'all can see it, but I can't. Let me just. Can I make this bigger? Here, let's try. All right, so right here. I'm not sure. Can we see that? No, I think you gotta see it like this. Oh, okay. So right here, this is where. Otherwise, this is where I see kind of the quotes on Robinhood. So I'll like click on, or not Robinhood, Moomoo. I'll click on the quotes, and we can see it's kind of updating live. If that answers your question. I'm gonna close that off now. Or I'm not sure I can actually hold up. Oh, I got more control than I thought I did. Okay, Spy being shy. Hey, Spy is doing his thing. Yeah, the Spy is doing his thing. Here, let's extend this out on the hood. I would love to see a break of this second trend line as well. I think it's still doing some of the things it would need to do. Palantir all-time high. Yeah, we got some things at all-time highs. We got some things at all-time highs. Let's see what all we got. Palantir. Let me check in on Amazon. Amazon might be. Let's see, Amazon. I feel like it's been at 240 before. Let's see. Okay, Amazon is pretty darn close to all-time highs. Yeah, Amazon is it's pretty darn close. What else we got? Oh, when did Robinhood pull back like that? I like blinked. And then it's like, oh, Robinhood, okay. Oh, are we breaking that lower trend line? Or the 1 minute trend line? Or is this just gonna be like oh yeah, let's continue the trend now? We'll see. So my Spy calls. Well, we gotta tell the Spy to stop ripping because Yoko's out of the trade. Shouldn't be moving without the boy Yoko. Oh, excuse me. I'm assuming you're a boy. Actually, I don't even know. I just always kind of assume that, but I really don't know. Let me slide that over. All right, so going back to the chronicles for the search of all-time high search. Nvidia. Well, actually, let's go to like a 4 hour. Nvidia pretty much at all-time highs. Let me get rid of that. Hood on a stair step pullback. Hey, I'm hoping. We'll see. That'll be good for me. And luckily, we got time on your contracts. Robinhood is likely going to run up anyway, so we can both win. Tesla, the stock is a joke to me. Like, if we look at like where it was to start, like pre-earnings, it was a little bit higher than this. So it was like up here, trading like, okay, actually not just a little bit. It was higher than this. And now it's like, oh yeah, let's blast our way back up there. Tesla is something else. Something else. Okay, come on, Robinhood, let's go. It's the 1 minute candle, but let's go. So win-win. Hey, that's what we're looking for, D Scurb. I'm kind of back in the green on the Robinhood put, barely, but I'm in there a little bit. Hey, this is your friendly reminder. If you have not, and you can hear the sound of my voice, hey, be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel, and I really appreciate it. And I'm sure the family also appreciates having nothing to do with El Salvador. Now back to the search. So Nvidia, Robinhood, oh no, not Robinhood, Palantir, Nvidia, Palantir. What else? Or we got the SPY trying to push up again. We kind of got confirmation on this 1 minute chart, but this is a 1 minute chart, so oh, I'll feel better when it like crosses to the downside on this Robinhood. I keep looking back at Romero's Tesla comment. I'm like, yeah, Tesla doing that thing today. Did I have this? Did I chart Tesla pre-market? Let me see. I'm not 100% sure if I think I did on the watch list, but I didn't like put them on. I didn't put them on the watch list, but the watch list video, I think I might have. And if that's the case, wait, hold up. Nah, I don't know. I don't think I did. Alright, yeah, Palantir. Hey, it's up there. Oh yeah, Robinhood, come on. I don't know. It does the tease. It's trying to tease me. SMX. Let's see. Let's see. They got anything to do with BMX? Security matters. What's up with the SMX? Like, what are we? Are they like popping on the day? Like, okay. I see a solid little uptrend. Oh yeah, they when this start? This started at like 8:55. Yeah, they got a nice little trend on the day. That's kind of like running. Oh yeah, that's like a 55%. Like, I can't draw a straight trend line on it, but yeah, that's some solid movement. Let's zoom out, look at the volume. Oh yeah, they got some volume today. Hey, that's a hot penny stock right there. All right, we're pushing up on the SPY. What's security matters do? Holding company which engaged in the provision of authentication solutions. It offers brand protection and authentication and track and trace technology. Okay, we're pushing up now. Hey, we're doing a little push up thing. Yeah, the spy said, "Hey, let's go crazy." All right, let's actually extend this trend line and see like where the upper side of it would be, cuz it's very much so trying to like visit that. Yeah, Tesla trying to go crazy too. Hey, AMD call not doing bad, not doing bad. Wasn't even expecting it to like do anything today. Let's see. Yeah, I'm up like $70 on it. Oh, apparently I did pay more than 300. I paid $305 for it. I think I got duped. Cause I swear I put in $300, like a $300 limit order. I got robbed. End of July run. It's very well possible. Like, I was still saying like a couple days ago, whenever Trump said that thing about whenever we got the EU deal, I'm like, I feel like personally I feel like we haven't ran enough from that. And then today he's talking about like, I know it's something he said a lot, but the China deal, like we will have a deal with China by like August, whatever. That's like very bullish too, honestly. So I would expect like a lot of the technology stocks to be going crazy from now on the cool, like, or at least like the Nvidias and like the computers and stuff. Bought two calls. One hit my stop loss and they hunted it. Others up a few bucks. Hey, good stuff. Tesla. Yeah. Still won't catch me buying any shares of Tesla anytime soon, but okay, we're selling off. But oh yeah, keep selling off, Hood. What do you think about Oracle? Honestly, I'm not like well, I'm I think it's a good company, but honestly, just from knowing of it, I don't know if you're like tell me what frame you're trying to look at. Are you trying to like look at it on the day or it looks like they have a little some sort of trend going on. Like maybe if I try right here, they got a little trend going like along this one on the day. Yeah, I would look at this trend. Let's see what they look like on a lower time frame. They look like they might be slowing down. It looks like this 405 might end up being resistance for them, but really don't know. Like when it comes to the idea of a turnaround, it's like things don't necessarily have to turn around. They could always just slow down. I mean, same goes for this Robinhood I'm in. Yeah, because now Robinhood is consolidating, but I am also on the 1 minute on it. Palantir trying to go. Yeah, we'll swap back to Palantir. See. Oh yeah, Palantir. Yo, he said gap and go. By gosh, by golly. I don't even know how I do it. We'll let Palantir be Palantir. What are you in? I am in a put on Robinhood. I have a 105 put on Robinhood that I think I might be up on now. I paid 25 for it. It is currently. I'm barely up on it. The bid is 26 and the ask is 28. But yeah, I got a 105 hood put that expires today. Oh, look at that. We're getting a little bit more movement. And the EMAs are crossing to the downside a little bit on the 1 minute. Bull going to 17. I mean, Bull's been like bouncing around. So where is it at? I need to move this to a different position on my list. Move it up higher because it's something I've been checking a lot more lately. Here, let's slide Bull on up. Yeah, we'll slide it up about, yeah, in this area. Alright, so Bull. Oh, it's gunning. I'm not sure about 17. It has a solid trend, but there's a level of resistance around like 1670. If it goes through that, it can get up there. But I would see I would look for that 1670 first. Broadcom took off. Oh, did it? Like when you say took off, was it like take off, or is it just like a? Cause it didn't look like it. Okay. Yeah, it kind of took off. Wait, this is a 5 minute? Didn't we just? I felt like we were just looking at. I guess it was over here. Yeah, cause we were looking at it. It was like this. And yeah, that qualifies as took off. That's okay. Hey, good for you if you were in that. Good for you. My account being permanently closed. Uh, no. nothing to say about that. Maybe look elsewhere to a different account. It's like I don't know why your account is closed. Hold up, my family is texting. All right. Oh yeah, my family's making. They're making, or my brother's making some money on the spy right now. He had some zero DTEs. That's cool. That's cool. He had a good amount of them too. Wow, Abdallah. Have you spoke to the brokerage? Also, open new brokerage. Matthew has links. I did open a brokerage, but never spoke with them. But I will. Yeah, yeah. I think it. Yeah, it's. I guess. Yeah, just try to talk to them. Like, figure out what's going on. I feel like they have to tell you why, and like, oh, if it's like a reason, like, oh yeah, we don't trust you anymore, then maybe try to go to a different one. But I don't know. If you did some stuff that's actually sketchy, maybe go to a different one and don't do whatever happened. But sometimes it's just a misunderstanding. So yeah, talk to them first. Oh, all right. So kind of getting a little progress on Robinhood. Let me look up. Look at it on a 5 minute, or let's or let me look on a two first. Okay, we're below that 13 EMA on the two. Let's look at the five. Okay, this is like trying to like come below the 13 EMA on the five. Oh yeah, I would like to see that. Okay. Me too, so way too early. Yeah, that's what my brother said. I mean, he made some money, but yeah, he said he sold too early. That's what the market makers are waiting for. It's like you see they start the day off, they go up, you kind of base out, and then like all of this right here is to get people to take profits because all of this right here is you losing money to theta. So it's 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 designed to be that way. It's like if anything, you can take profits once it stops, and then if you have the bells, you can like hop back in. But usually, I'm done at that point. Like sometimes it's like if you got multiple contracts, you can even leave a couple runners. That way, you're just playing with house money. I'm still kind of break even on this Robinhood, but all right. Let's see. Spycross 636 with EU news. Is that positive for next week? Um, I would like to think some of the EU news has been what pushed us up because we were at like I want to say like 632, 633 when we got it. But as long as we don't get any negative news about trade, yeah, it'll probably be still continue to be positive. Still look to melt up. I think the big thing for the most part right now is going to be it's going to be like we have earnings. So that's what a lot of the stuff for the week's going to kind of come from. Is Tesla momentum gone? It the trend is still very well up. It's like it's pulling back on the trend, but momentum has slowed currently, but it is not like at a it hasn't been long enough for me to say like, oh, it's trading sideways, because it could very well just be a pullback in the trend, and it can still like kind of go and do its thing and go crazy. Palantir bull flag retest. Oh, wrong spot. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, me too. I don't like just jumping back in looking for something. Yeah, it's like I don't know. It's like me. It's like there is a lot of times when it runs, there's like a lot more money to be had, but it's like I get to a point where I'm just like I just gotta like move on and like maybe go do something else. It's like okay, I got my bread today. I'll come back another day to eat. It's like sometimes you can like ride, but it's like I don't know. I'm not trying to be there all day. And they be playing games like even if you have like a trailing stop loss or anything, they play too many games to let that work. Unfortunately, it's like I get so annoyed when I try to set stuff like that. It's like as soon as I set it, it'll like we'll get that quick pullback, and it's like oh well there that goes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Me too. Okay. Happened to me yesterday with Tesla. As soon as my order got, yeah, that's hey, that's what they like to do. They're definitely sitting here watching us. Okay, we got a little pullback action on the spy. Let's see if we can get some pullback action on everything else. Take a little breather. Yeah, volume on Robinhood is dying, or at least on the 5 minute. Yeah, the volume is like almost non-existent, which means if any volume wanted to come back in, then they could just rip it, but they could also rip it down too. Kind of consolidating a little bit on the spy fi or on the Robinhood. Yeah, we're kind of chilling. All right, Robinhood trying to sell off a little bit more. I would like to see a clean point. I would also like to take this time to acknowledge that there appears to be some liquidity at 105.47, so that could be a little bump in the road right there. All right, Jamie, Robinhood be playing too many games. I just noticed that the call we bought 25 and broke even is broke even at 6. Anything under that we're making profit now. More if it. I think you might have got a different one because I bought a 105 put. So break even for me would be 105.75. No, 104.75. So anything under that would be profit for me. If you got a 106, yeah, that's even better for you. So hey, good stuff, Jamie. Good stuff. But yeah, Robinhood does like to. They do like to play some games. All right, this is the first candle that has opened on Robinhood that has not had contact with that 13 EMA. It's pretty promising. All right, Robinhood pulling back some more. Oh, yes. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see, Robinhood. Um, uh, hold on. But yeah, they're moving just slow enough for my contract to not really do much. Okay, move a little more. It's moving some. Okay, hey Matt, I think a UNH call would pay out huge mid August. The low I've seen them probe after alligator. So I'm personally wait. So I would want to see where the price is, and also just like timing and everything. I think if you have more time on the contract, I think it's good to go now. Like if you're going for a leap, but yeah, just cause you're still fine with it pulling back. But like UNH is something I do have that I'm like watching for. Where's it at? Here, I'll just have to type it in. It is something that I have that I'm watching. It's just I would want to. I still think it can come like retest this low. So if it comes to retest this low, then I'll just like hop right in. But as of right now, I still think that like I still think it can pull back some more. But I still think also that like leaps even from here, there is massive upside to be had. So it really depends on what kind of move you're kind of catch on the cool. But honestly, that can be interpreted in any ways. It could happen mid August, but you know, I don't know. It really just, hey, when it happens, it happens. Just bought a 634 spy put, buying Monday for 64 just in case. Hey, that'd be nice. So looking at the RSI, it is overbought. It's a little wild. It's a little wild. The market is wild, and you know it's been going up like crazy. We're still in like the uptrend, but I mean that is like pullback territory. It's honestly kind of crazy. It's like I still feel a little uneasy about it, but it's like it could do some work. It's like right now my move is like grabbing calls on that. Honestly, I'm surprised I grabbed puts, but Hood probably going for VWAP at 104. I'm cool with that. Okay, so noted. We'll see. Yeah, I'll take a VWAP move. It's like I was looking at like 104.20 or so, but we'll see. I bought a 105 put when it was one. Oh, really? But now it's interesting. Oh, okay. I thought you were saying. Yeah, it's the depreciation of value because that's what happens with the zero DTEs. It if it doesn't move fast enough, but once it like if it passes 605, you're gonna see it like go like crazy like so or 105. So this is one I can see passing 105, and I can see it coming to. Well, I guess the EMA has moved up, but even if we get like a few dollars past 105, it's gonna be money. So, do you recommend something besides Robinhood lately? I've been getting frustrated with Robinhood, but it's the only one that I know that has the ability to withdraw same day. I feel like I feel like when it comes to the ability to withdraw same day, it just depends on what kind of account. Like if your funds are settled, you're gonna be able to withdraw same day on like whether it be Webull, Moomoo. Um, Honestly, even the same with like interactive brokers. When I made my profits, I could do it. Well, actually, I think with interactive brokers, I just had more money in there, like that was still available. So, um, what contract am I in for Hood? I had a 105 put that expires today. I paid 25 for it. The bid is currently 30, and the ask is currently 33. So it's I was up more on Hood. What's up? Hey, Janky Entertainment. What's up? Hey, I'm well. I'm here trying to just live this life. Wait, hold up. Let's do this. I see a solid downtrend on Robinhood now. Let me, or maybe I don't know. It may not be perfect, but I see a downtrend on Robinhood. We'll kind of let's slide this over here. Let's try something like this. We'll see if we can ride that. All right, Tesla is at the trend line. So if it breaks this, it might decide, yo, let's come on down. But otherwise, it might bounce up and kind of do its thing again. But Tesla has pulled back to the trend line for the day that it's been riding. It's currently at its 13 EMA on the 5. We'll have to see what happens here. Hey, have you seen or read that they're trying to change? Yes. Yes, I have. Um, if they do that, the content on this channel will go crazy. Like, yeah, that I'll definitely be making like all kinds of content with that, but we'll see. Now I have a similar question for SoFi. After earnings, do you think we will see it go upwards? Thinking, so honestly, it just depends on what kind of stuff they say on the call. Um, I expect SoFi to go upwards just because of everything going on. Like first off, we're having to start repaying our student loans. Um, Interest rates looks like we're about to finally start getting cut, so people will want to refinance. So it's like it looks like things are getting better for SoFi. So it's like I don't really play so much on earnings themselves. It's like earnings can change things, but I don't try to like speculate earnings too much because you truly never know what's going to happen. And it's like you could catch something truly left field. So getting like too far ahead of yourself on stuff like that is I don't know. It's like I try to come a little bit closer to what's right here in front of me because it's they say if you're too far ahead of yourself, that's like where that anxiety is. If you're in the past, that's where the depression is. But it's like, the present's a gift. Be right here where you are, and see the opportunity before you. So, like for that, we can come in, we can look at the chart for SoFi. We can be like, okay, what is SoFi potentially showing us? Right now, we're seeing SoFi is like on the weekly is still like pushing. So we can see, oh, that can continue, but also there are some areas that it can pull back to. So it's like me being present. It's like I can see what I can see right now, and it's like, okay, I will set an alert at this level and an alert at this level, and it's like when that alert goes off, that is when I respond, kind of making the appropriate actions. You say a hood, no. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this trend line. So it did like break that back. Like it's kind of like we got one confirmation count. I'm just looking at the EMA right now. Cause it's like we came down and confirmed, but also, what are we looking like on the 15? Okay. Yeah, Tesla, we got a little downtrend on. Yeah, incense. When it comes to your momentum, I would say it. I would say it's officially like or kind of, yeah, because we're below the 13. Um, I mean, it is possible for it to reverse, and continue to the upside still, and this be a fake out. because we still like range wise, you got to like 319.34, but we do have a little downtrend kind of working this way. Let's see if we can get a new low on Robinhood. Hopefully that was just whatever, because now also there's kind of like a level of resistance at this 105.80, like on the way down, so it looks like resistance to the upside. So let's see if we can continue on. Get some lows put in. Come on, Robinhood. Don't rob the hood. Yo, that's crazy. We've been on an hour and a half. What? All right, Robinhood. Hey, it's trying to continue its way down. Let's see. Can we get a new low? Can we do that? Okay. Oh, it's close. It's close. Yo, can we also smash the like button? I see we got a couple lurkers on. Hey, we're having a good time watching this hood fall. Trying to get this bread. Hopefully hood goes. Hey, if hood wants to go to 101, I'm here for it. If they want to drop some like negative news for the market, oh no, I don't want that. No, I don't want that right now. I'm like, I do have some other positions. Like this is just a little $25 trade, but I don't want it to come down like that. It might be getting ready to come back up. So that's a gravestone doji on the SPY. Here, let's see. Hold up. Oh, you're asking if that's a gravestone doji? Hold on, I need to. I'm not good with candle names, or I don't have them memorized. It's like I could be, but maybe. Yeah, it looks like it might be. Like right there. It looks like it might be. Yeah, Tesla coming back down now. Low key puts would be a solid move now for Tesla. Especially if it gets past 319.28. You might find a little trouble there, but hood is due for a pullback. It broke above a falling wedge. I never seen something like that. Hey, honestly, did Hood even have a catalyst today? Is there like a reason for them? Like Bitcoin price XRP fall again. That's kind of negative. Um, I don't see really a catalyst for them to be popping like that. They're probably just trying to shake some people out of the trades. They said, get out of here. Okay, we got a good pullback on the Qs. Some with that. Yeah, Spy still trying to push though. Yeah, there it goes again, humbling me. Hey, it's a Friday. Honestly, these days are best not to trade. Looking ahead to the week, or look to the week ahead, or look to like get some kind of positioning. But yeah, that's a Friday for you. They got too many things expiring today for them to just let it be easy. I said you thought it was too easy. And then once you think it's like, oh, it's not gonna be easy, that's when they're like, oh, this would have been easy. Oh really? AMD trying to push higher. I would like to see AMD like just blast up. Like blast up, blast up. Honestly, Hood looks like it could be getting ready to come back up, but I know they're with the game sometimes, so I'm just here trying to see what it could be. Yesterday to update y'all, so I did not take profit on that IWM. even though we had like solid profit on it. I just said I was gonna see what happened. I got sold out. I think I lost like $20 on it from where it sold me out. Said retest on hood, potentially. Yeah, we will see. There's the potential for that, but yeah, if it decides to come up, it might be coming up. So like right now, wait, where's like there is some liquidity there. I still think we can get to this 48 EMA though. Let me actually add like a little. There we go. Adam, hey, what's up? Happy Friday. Hey, happy Friday it is. A very, very happy Friday. Here, real quick, let me take this to my wife. Okay, we're trying to move our way back up. Oh, hold up. I'm just remembering the pain I have in my legs. I'm gonna have to, yeah. Let me do some recovery while we're here on stream. I would say like right now how things are, I would kind of argue that the market, like right now, I don't see anything negative occurring. So as long as nothing bad happens, yeah, I would say yeah, there's a better chance of the market going up and down next week. Like until the trend gets broken. I don't know how many of y'all saw my video last night, but yeah, we expected to keep coming up until we kind of pull down. It's like trades to the small or to the downside right now should be very small. Like we don't want to go big on the like going to the downside. Right now the odds are in our favor going to the upside. It's like me, like this Robinhood, I'm just looking for a pullback move, but it's like this morning when we first looked at it, I think we were like right here. I was saying, oh, the SPY looks like it's getting ready to pull back. And it pulled back. And it pulled back like almost to the level where I thought it was going to pull back to. Like I guess it kind of did. I just could be a little bit more precise. It pulled back there. I was like, I don't think it's going to be a big pullback. So I was like, But yeah, it's like the move is more up. The only thing about this is like you don't necessarily know where it's going to go up. You don't know if it's going to consolidate. So that's why I didn't take that. But it's like, yeah, the playing for upside should pay a lot more right now. Jumped in a 6. Oh wait, okay, cool. Hey, very welcome, Moo. Ubaka. Hey, I saw it. Hey, the real question is, did y'all smash the like though? Jumped in a 640 SPY swing yesterday. Expires Monday. I would, yeah, probably would have been better off getting more time, but you live and you learn. Yeah, RIP Hulk Hogan and all the others that passed this week too. Yeah. Yeah, we had some. I hit like after you. Hey, that's Yeah, I used to not ask for it in the videos, but now I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta ask for it in the video. And I gotta ask early on because it's like I ask at the end of the videos, but it's like low key I see a difference when I like ask at the beginning versus the end. I'm like, okay, gotta work that algo. And I wish I didn't, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just trying to like you see with the thumbnails and stuff. It's like if I do too much for the thumbnail, like low key, it's like thumbnails, like making thumbnails and stuff. It gets me to a point where it's like, oh, I don't even feel like uploading the video because I'm like, oh, what will the thumbnail be? But y'all see, like my thumbnails are like extra lazy. I'm like, okay, what's something I can type right here? I'm like, I want to try to get y'all to click because I'm like, oh, this is the same stuff y'all are telling me y'all don't understand. So if I can get you to watch this like real quick, well, it'll be like that much of a little level up to your trading. Like it's like a lot of stuff. There's some videos like if I want to get a bunch of new people, I'll go a little harder on the thumbnail. But most of my videos, I'm like, nah, it's supposed to be like a little nugget of education because it's I don't know. Tesla keep dumping, yeah. So yeah, it's we got a trend line to the downside. I'm not sure if you heard when I like tried to address you about Tesla earlier, but yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, and it came past that first level where I said it could like pull back to. So it might just keep going. I will watch out. It might be good till like 317. All right, Hood trying to do some more. Palantir inside and balance. I am not fully sure what that means. To be completely real with you. Inside imbalance. $5 million. I think it comes down to appreciation to hitting the like buttons. When you were on the same level as other stock tubers, I never hit the live trading every day. Hey, well, appreciate it. I personally like I prefer this too to an extent. It's like I like that I can it's more interactive. Like for instance, if I say something and you got a question, it's like I can just show you like I can show you the answer and I can like the feedback's immediate. And it's like you can only get so much of me from a little video, but it's like here you actually get to know me or whatever. It's like I'll watch some videos and I'll be like, oh, I wonder this or I wonder this. And it's like, you can't necessarily just ask. But yeah, it's like here, yeah, it's like there's more of a connection. That's why I like this. 317 Tesla I see. So is right now a good time to grab a call? I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say that. I think it depends on what your objective is, and it's like I don't necessarily see, like on this time frame, I don't see any reason I would. It's like maybe I would say like 104, like 58 maybe. That looks like a good area for me, but right now it's like nah, I'm not really with that. Is right now, oh wait, okay. Maybe, okay. You're also realistic, not I made 100K today. Hey, I would like to think I'll get to a point where it's like I made 100K, but yeah, it's like it can happen. I think everything is like compounding and whatnot. So it's like the stuff I do tomorrow will, like, if I see the things that I do tomorrow today, if I could see what I'm going to be, I'm sure I would be amazed. Like, it's probably unfathomable, but it's like it just takes time. It's like I like that I can like be here and like help reframe things though, because it's like I don't know, it's like you see people where they are, but you don't necessarily see them where they came from. And it's like people, like, I don't know, it's like some people, you don't realize how long they've really been grinding to get where they are. It's like there's a lot of people, it's like, yo, it took me 10 years to be an overnight success. It's like, yo, you have people grind at something for like 10 solid years, and it's like, oh, they finally get their break. So my thing is keep going. Represents a situation where there are significantly more aggressive buyers and sellers, or vice versa, at a particular level. Oh, okay. Okay, so I would call that I don't know. I'm not sure if I. No, actually, I wouldn't be able to call that a supplier demand zone because we haven't been here before. All right, we're pulling back on this buy, but it could just be to the 13 EMA. We'll see. But yeah, we're getting a little pullback on the SPY. Stair stepping on the Qs. Yeah, Tesla's probably pulling the Qs down. Unless it decides to go for another retest on Hood. Hey, we'll see. We will see. They're playing the games. This might this might be another one that goes past the stream again. All right. Okay, we're at the 13 EMA on the SPY. We're about to it on the Qs as well. Oh no, that's the 15 minute on the Qs. Let's see what the 15 on the. Okay. All right, SPY's not trying to come down just yet. It's trying to hold up. All right, Hood coming back to that low. Okay, pulling back a little bit. Oh, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it's trying. It's trying. Hood is kind of at the lowest point since we've entered, or it's close to it. It's trying to progress. All right, Tesla has pulled back to the 48 EMA. Yeah, Tesla Yeah, it was a nice short for anyone who took it. All right, Hood. New low on Hood. So quick check on the contract. The bid is 32, and the ask is 34, or it's 33 now. Let's see. Can we get to 105? Question of the hour. Oh, look. Okay, 105.26. Let's go. Make progress. Come on. Bring it on down. Let's go. All right. Contract is at $34 per share. Okay. 35. Come on. Let's make some progress, Robinhood. Let's get it. Come on. Click on that over there. Okay, they said they wanted to tease us right now. They said it's not time yet. They said they're not ready. They said we weren't ready. Okay. But hey, that's a new low right there. But Fridays will be Fridays. Am I right? Well, we'll have to see what decides to happen. It is based on that. When you say it is based on that, what are we referring to? I feel like I stopped talking for a little bit. Based on them seeing us, I don't know. Buying SPY was based. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, I would say that's a solid move. It's like it looks like we've created a new range, so the buy would be here. Let's zoom out again. So a nicer buy would probably be closer to like this 130 or 634.80 kind of area, but I just got me a 0 DTE call for Palantir. Oh, I mean, honestly, Palantir looks like they might put in work in a moment as well. So, that looks like it could be some. Two things I was watching was SPY resistance and QQQ bounce at support. Yeah, that very well just happened. They did just bounce at support. Yeah, still pushing on this one. Still pushing. All right, Palantir is, oh, it's about at that level on the 5 at the 40/80 EMA. Will it break or will it bounce? Your videos changed my thinking. I am going through mini series published. I'm hoping it changed in a positive way. I don't know what you think it was before, but it's my goal in making the videos is just to kind of give y'all new frames of thinking. It's like there are many lenses and ways you can kind of look at things. Like if I wanted to tell you, like if I wanted to look and see that the market's going to come down, like I can like paint a thesis for the market coming down like right now. If I want to tell you the market's about to like blast off, I can do that too. It really just kind of comes in and being like comes down to being able to see through multiple lenses and finding like when you look through multiple lenses, like where does it, like what is like kind of best supported by all those lenses. Let's see. Yeah, we're slowing on. So this is what I would call like melting up on the SPY. %. Yeah. All right, trying to come back down a little bit on Robinhood. Trying. This one's gonna be hard fought. On the lowest of keys, this is part of the reason why I don't necessarily love trading on Fridays is they like to move it so slow, so slow. Like on the cool, if I were working a job, like even if I were working Amazon, I think I got like maybe $18 an hour when I was doing this. So, oh, I've been on stream 2 hours. So the $36 would have, I don't know. Am I reading it right? On the 5 minute chart, Hood is at support right now. Yeah, there is, yeah, this is a level of support. It's a level of support. I'm hoping that Robinhood falls through it. There is support here. I'm hoping we can fall to this support though. As the support continues to get higher and higher. But yeah, I would say that's a correct read. Here, let me extend this Tesla trend line. Tesla might be why does it look like it moved? I don't know. Hit AMD. AMD trying to go crazy. Or I think I'm exaggerating when I say go crazy, but it's a good day for AMD. Honestly, it's a good day for Hood too. Let me go up to a higher time frame on Hood. Let's see. Oh, we've been consistently stringing together the black candles on Robinhood. Or on the 15, it's so overbought. It's kind of like chilled out, but it's still like, All right, Robinhood trying to pop off now. It is trying to pop off. What's it gonna be today? Here, I want to look at the unusual options activity on Robinhood real quick. Let's see. No, not no. I'm not trying to look at the options activity. I'm trying to look BHPENT. Hey, appreciate your appreciation. All right. Yeah, glad that you think they're easy to understand. I try my best. Okay, that's volume. Yeah, I'm thinking it should come back below 105 because they got like the open interest is so high on 105 calls. That's like it's in their best interest to bring it to around like 104.50 to get the largest payout. So that's where it would be most profitable for them to have it at the end of the day, or at least from what I'm seeing right now. Okay. I got 6 contracts of IWM expiring August 15th and 6% profit. Your thoughts, let go today or give breathing space with a stop loss. I'll just tell you what I would do. Let me see. That's like I can't tell you like what to do, but I can tell you what I would do. Honestly, I would probably like expect the trend to keep going. You said till August 15th. Yeah, I probably I'll let it keep going. That's what I would do. Cause I very much so think it'll. I would think it's going to take out the high again. So me personally, with time like that, I would be looking at that. Respucia. It's like the one on Norbit. Hood wants us to win. Hey, they want us to win. Here, let me real quick. I think ultimately we will win. It's just they are taking our time or taking their time for real. So much consolidation here. Let me go to a 15-minute on a buy too. Oh, 15-minute IWM. Nice little trend to the upside. Nice little steady little trend. Yeah, the SPY, like if you go to a 15, it's just been stringing the blue candles. Let's go to a 15 on Tesla. Wow. You say yes, Respucia on Norbit is trading. Thanks, pal. Hey, you're very welcome. Yeah, I was like, I was just saying if that's the same name. But yeah, I was like, oh. He doesn't really take me to be the trader type. But it's cool. Incidentally, I bought a 322.5 Tesla call at market open for 31, sold at 181. It's the type of yellow trade that I typically lose and want to get away from, but hey, good stuff. Hey, glad to hear it. I'm glad you also took the profits on it too. Glad you took the profits. He said, "Don't judge. Respucia need money." Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. I feel like, yeah, something I need to stop doing is limiting people. That's like I think I've gotten to a point of like judgment where I'll like limit people because I'll take my limitations or take like my experiences and I'll limit other people with it. So I need to try not to do that, but I do that because it's like I'll like when it comes to trading, it's like I know the path, like it's loaded with a lot of losses and whatnot, but I also know that people don't typically choose to start trading until they're like in a tough position or until like it's like, oh yo, I need more money. And it just seems like to me it's a little hard whenever it's like, oh, there's a struggle now to start this, but that's kind of when I started too. So TSLL showing signal or sell signal on 15 minutes. Am I missing something? So I'm looking at Tesla just because it's going to be a more accurate assessment of TSLL. But I would. There is a level of like this 13 EMA is showing like there is support here, but it can still sell off. But right now, it's like looking at the trend. Like we have a low here, and this is a higher low. So ultimately, we'll want to see if it creates a lower high, or if this low just gets lower. I don't know. Oh, that reminds me. Real quick, I gotta pay my utility bill. Apparently, they tried to send it to me, but I did not get it. They like sent me an email. Let's see. I forgot what the company was called. I know I got an app somewhere. Oh, there we go. If Robinhood wanted to come down to like 104, or maybe like 103.50, yeah, it'd do me a favor of covering my utility bill. Honestly, if it just came to like 103.90, that would be fine. But the bill has been paid. We're good. Fire truck just ran into dealership across from my dealership. That's crazy. Wait, someone tried to pull out in front of the fire truck and truck swerved. That's crazy. Amanda said, "You think you will, or it will." So the level that I can see it coming to, just kind of looking at like maximum profit or like maximum profitability for the market makers is going to be 104.50. So I think I'm willing to let this one ride in hopes that it just like goes there and then closes out for me. But it's like this was the area I was originally looking for, but then I like looked at the options analysis, saw like the open interest, saw the volume on the options, and that's where 104.50 is where I see it like more realistically. It doesn't look like it wants to, but I feel like we get a move to that. I don't know. It's also possible they just like leave it here, but I don't know. This is what I don't like about Fridays. That's also why I'm in pretty small on this, because the certainty, the timing, and it's low. Even though it like honestly, if it was a swing, wait, let me go. Like honestly, on a 4 hour here, let me kill that trend line. On a 4 hour, we do have some liquidity here. Wait, actually, The liquidity actually may have been over here. We swept that. Oh, I think that's where I had it at first anyway. We kind of swept that. And the move from that liquidity, wait, let me actually see. So no, we're in a range. Let me go to like a 1 hour. Still look at that move. All right, so on the 1 hour, that had its range. Then we, I guess, oh no, we set here, swept here. So yeah, actually be looking at like 104 based off that, but you know, they like to wait till the last second too. So my contract may get closed out by Weeble before it even gets the chance to make the move. So we'll see. That's one thing that can be a little bit annoying about trading 0DTs is they close them like early. So like that last 30 minutes, they'll like close it anywhere in that time frame, and it's not always in my favor. Yeah, and it's like sometimes they wait till like, oh, did all the brokerages close them? And then you'll just see like a sweeping move like right at the end of the day. So it's like, yo, definitely taking a chance right now. But and maybe also like in like 5 minutes, maybe they'll be like, okay, it's time to wake up. Let's make some stuff happen again. Oh, just saw that news right there that popped up. Where'd it go? So it says S&P 500 optimism may be overdone. Let's read this. Optimism may not be fully thought out, says MetLife's top strategist. Drew Mattis told CNBC he's firmly in the hard landing camp, warning that the economy is likely to slow markedly in H2. Despite upbeat market sentiment, he noted companies are being rewarded for cost cuts and sales beats, but punished harshly for missing growth targets or letting expenses run wild. Okay. That's some guy's opinion. Said I'm gonna give it 5. Yeah, we'll see. We're actually doing pretty good on the likes today. It's a Friday. Who just called me? Was that spam? Didn't even realize I was getting a call. You said, am I doing a SPY 0DT today? Nah, I did one on Robinhood, but it's not really popping. But nah, the SPY. So I can see now that they did a break and retest. Oh, did not mean to turn it on. I can see now that we got a break and retest on the SPY. So if we like completely forgot about this, here, let's get rid of the trend line. If we just look at kind of actually probably should have that a little higher, but it's like we can see here they broke the level, they came back to retest it. So that's a strategy in itself, is trading a break and retest. So the fact that they didn't die right here, this is when you would have wanted to take an entry. So if I were looking for that, I probably would have got some money, but nope. This would also line up with like the whole liquidity sweep thing. So once again, this morning we set a range here. All right, here, let's set it off. We pulled back, made our first low here, So because of that, our entry would have, here, let's see. So because of that, our entry would have been right here. We would have rode down here, and then, yeah, there would have been opportunity. So next time we'll consider like playing the break and retest and also the trend line, or not break and retest and like the sweep of liquidity. This is still like the liquidity sweep is still like my go-to and favorite setup. I just wasn't looking for it. So it's like, what was I gonna say? So yeah, that's an example of two strategies that kind of give you the same result. Kind of they're very similar. They point to the same kind of thing as well. Oh wow, I didn't notice I was one for a while today. The heavy chatters must not be here today. Hey, they stopped through. Just may not be chatting. Like 90, wow, as soon as Incense became number one, I got out at the top. Hey, good stuff. Let's see who's in the top. All right, so it's 5 of y'all in the top spot today. And I'll say it's not the usuals either. I think one of the usuals, and it's like tied for 9th. So it's like a 5-way tie for first. It's a 3-way tie for 6th. And then, it's like a 8-way tie for 9th. But all right. I guess that's going to do it for the day. I'm going to hope. I might sit here or I'm not going to sit here, but I may check in for another hour or so to see what is done. But, it looks like it's just chilling for now. So that's going to do it for the day, family. I hope each and every one of y'all have a good, you said I lost a subscriber down to 10. That's a milestone for me. My 1 sub lost. Romero's listening. Okay. But yeah, we're about to sign off. And when it comes to losing subscribers, it's part of the journey. I think this morning I saw I hit whatever I'm at, and it was 500 something. And then I saw it go to 98. I'm like, oh. I'm like, it is what it is. It's don't focus on the negative, focus on the positive. It's hey, let's say wherever focus goes, or energy flows. Oh, AMD trying to push up some more. Hey, we'll take it. Hey, you too, Marvin. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I hope all y'all's trades go y'all's way. I hope y'all have a great weekend. And with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Peace out, Respucia. Peace out. Was it Anthony? I think it was Anthony. We'll say Central Florida Street Glide. Let me know if it wasn't Anthony. May have to continue to work on it. Peace out, Wubaka. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, Amanda. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, the new 100, aka M-Sense. Peace out, Romero. Peace out, Marvin. Peace out, Natasha. Let me say it now. Peace out, what's the name? Why can't I? Oh, peace out, Kilo Hotel. Peace out, Mommy. I know I feel like I see y'all last, y'all's names pop up right after I end the stream. So, oh, hey, we're getting some movement. I'm still going to get off, but we're getting movement. So this, I might be closing that in a second. Peace out, Janky Entertainment. Peace out, Maurice. Peace out, First Valid. I intend to. But yeah, hopefully, yeah, we'll get this movement. But yeah, thank y'all. Stay blessed. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.